Viewers, this one is our Caterpillar dumper 772. I'm going to change its accelerator sensor. So I will show you how we can change the accelerator sensor. So viewers, you can see my sensor has come. This is a throttle sensor. Sensor has come. Now I'm going to change the sensor. His sensor has a 3 wires. As I show you, this red wire is voltage coming and black wire is a negative voltage, and a white one is a sensor voltages. Okay, there are 3 wires. So I'm going to change this sensor. I'm going to remove the accelerator sensor, the accelerator position sensor. So this one's this cable is the cable of the position sensor. So first off, the sensor is inside this pedal. So first I remove this pedal, then I show you where is the position sensor. Okay, so for this I remove this bolt, and here are 2 bolts are inside. Okay, one is this one bolt, and one is bolt is this one. So these 3 bolt, 2 bolt this, and 1 bolt is here. I open these 3 bolts. Okay, then I will reach to the sensor. So this I think this is the 13. Okay, so I will use this 13 spanner. Okay, so I will okay, so we have, this is not so much hard. Stop video here. After opening, when I open this one pedal, then show you where is the position sensor. So here you can see now I have removed this accelerator pedal. Complete I removed it because the sensor was under this pedal. This one is a sensor, TPS sensor, throttle position sensor. Okay, this one is a number of the sensors CAT 266-1466-3, and this one is a new one. Okay, this number you can also the same 266-1466. so this was a new one sensor. I will remove this one because this one is not good, because voltages are coming here, but the output is not good one. So I remove this. This Allen key is this is the T20 Allen key, star Allen key. I will using it, and I will open this one. It will very carefully is here. So here is the O-ring. So O-ring will be here. I'm going to fix this a new one. Okay, first this one is a ring, O-ring. I have to need to fix here. Okay, so you can see here are the fix here like this, and these are the Allen key bolt. Fix back again like this. After fixing this back, so I'm going to stop video here. I will tight this Allen key bolt, and after I fix this accelerator pedal back, I'm going to stop video here. So here you can see I have fixed this sensor and also fixed the wire clump, these two wire clump, and I'm going to inside the vehicle and I will fix this pedal back. Then I will start the machine and check the errors. Okay, so now I'm going to inside the cabin. Now everything is ready. As you can see, I have fixed back the accelerator pedal and also fixed the connector.